the science behind what men find attractive in women. Hi everyone, what's the first thing a man notices about a woman? Is it her smile, her confidence, or something far more subtle? Science reveals that attraction isn't random, it's deeply rooted in psychology and biology. Here's the twist: many of the traits men find captivating aren't what you'd expect, and most are completely within your control. Have you ever wondered why some women effortlessly draw attention wherever they go, while others blend into the background? Is it their appearance, their energy, or the way they carry themselves? Most importantly, how can you tap into these psychological triggers to stand out and leave a lasting impression? Naturally? In this video, we're unlocking the fascinating science of attraction, what truly makes men take notice and why. From the confidence you exude to the subtle cues you send without realizing it, we'll explore actionable relationship tips that will make you unforgettable. This isn't about manipulation or pretending to be someone you're not. It's about amplifying your best qualities and understanding the psychology behind human connection. Here's the exciting part. We'll reveal one surprising factor that most women overlook, yet it's scientifically proven to spark emotional attraction. You don't want to miss this. Are you ready to discover the secrets of attraction and take your confidence to the next level? Let's dive in. Number 1. Facial symmetry is often the first thing men notice about a woman, but why is it so impactful? According to attraction psychology, symmetry signals good health and strong genetics, which are deeply ingrained evolutionary preferences. Symmetry also creates a sense of visual harmony that's pleasing to the eye. Think of your favorite celebrities. Many have symmetrical features that amplify their beauty. But here's the thing, it's not about being perfect. Small, intentional actions can enhance your natural symmetry and make a significant difference. Start by focusing on grooming. Well-shaped eyebrows, glowing skin, and subtle makeup can highlight your unique features. Most importantly, don't underestimate the power of your smile. Studies show that smiling not only makes you appear more attractive but also approachable and confident. Practical tip: invest in skincare and self-care routines to enhance your natural beauty. Use light, natural makeup to balance and highlight your features. And wear your smile often. It's the ultimate expression of inner confidence and charm. Number 2. Confidence is the foundation of attraction. It's not just what you say, but how you carry yourself. According to relationship psychology, confidence signals independence, emotional stability, and self-assurance. Men are naturally drawn to women who exude these traits because they indicate a strong sense of self-worth. The best part? Confidence doesn't rely on physical appearance, it's all in your mindset and body language. Stand tall, make eye contact, and use an open posture to project self-assurance. Even your tone of voice can reflect confidence. Speak clearly and with intention. Number 3. Practical tip: build confidence from within by practicing positive affirmations daily. Focus on personal growth through fitness, hobbies, or learning new skills. Start small, walk into a room with purpose, or maintain eye contact during a conversation. These subtle cues will leave a lasting impression. Number 4. Body language and posture. Body language is a silent yet powerful form of communication. It plays a huge role in attraction psychology as men subconsciously pick up on non-verbal cues to assess interest and approachability. An open posture, uncrossed arms, relaxed shoulders, and facing the person you're speaking to creates a sense of warmth and trust. On the other hand, Closed-off gestures like crossing your arms or slouching can unintentionally signal disinterest or insecurity. Instead, adopt body language that reflects confidence and energy. For example, stand tall, tilt your head slightly when listening, and lean forward during a conversation to show engagement. Practical tip: find a signature fragrance that complements your personality. Apply it to your pulse points like your wrists and neck for the best effect. Remember, less is more. A soft, lingering scent is far more alluring than an overpowering one. Number 5. Eye contact is one of the most powerful tools in creating an emotional connection. According to relationship psychology, locking eyes with someone activates the brain's reward system, releasing dopamine, the same chemical responsible for feelings of pleasure and bonding. This is why holding someone's gaze can feel so intimate and captivating. But there's a fine balance. Too much eye contact can feel intense, while too little might come across as disinterest. The key is to maintain soft, intentional eye contact during conversations. Pair it with a slight smile to make your gaze warm and inviting. Practical tip: practice the 3-second rule. Hold eye contact for 3 seconds before briefly looking away. This keeps the interaction natural and avoids awkwardness. Show genuine interest and be present in the moment. Number 6. Laughter and humor. Laughter is more than just a reaction, it's a universal connector and one of the most underrated elements of attraction. Sharing a laugh with someone creates an instant bond by releasing dopamine, a feel-good hormone that strengthens emotional connections. Men are especially drawn to a man who can laugh with them or at themselves because it signals confidence, positivity, and emotional intelligence. Humor shows that you're approachable and easy to be around. Practical tip: focus on being authentic. React naturally to humorous situations and don't shy away from laughing at your own quirks. Men appreciate women who are playful and don't take themselves too seriously. Attraction isn't just about how you look, it's about the energy you project, the kindness you show, and the confidence you embrace. These traits, backed by psychology, help you naturally stand out and build genuine, lasting connections. Remember, the key is authenticity. Being unapologetically yourself is what truly captivates. Which of these traits resonated with you the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more psychology-based insights and relationship tips. Hit the bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.